How to create your vault on your Reddit. Welcome guys, today I will show you how to do that easy and quick. Let's start. So what you should do, just open your Reddit first. As everyone knows, it will open directly on your homepage. Right now, just come here to the top and click and go to vault and click. So right now, create your vault, click agree and continue. If you have before a vault, just click use existing vault. For me, I don't have. I will click agree and continue and click here create your vault and click right now if you want to copy it, click here continue, and you have to finish another step, and that's all guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.